hide the complexity from the consumer and make it seamless and invisible. And unfortunately, because it's a difficult technology, it's taken us a few years to begin to get to that place.
I was going to say, I just received one of the drafts of the usage model, 26 pages long. You know, here's the domain, here's who owns it, this is how you buy it, register it, etc. It's a huge document, but I think your analogy is a great one, because pushing that button on your car and starting it is a lot easier than cranking it. But the complexity is all in that back area, and there's a lot of companies involved in this, dedicated to it. I mean, there's multiple weekly conference calls trying to work this out. There are people dedicating huge staffs to this across major companies, trying to get this to work out.
We didn't say which companies they were, but it is public information. So it's most of the studios, with the notable exception of Disney, but most of all the major studios. Intel, Microsoft, most of the major CE manufacturers, all of whom you would expect, Sony, Philips, you know, Panasonic. It's a lot of companies. Oh, and also Best Buy. So the first time we've been in one of these, and Comcast. So the first time we've been in one of these initiatives where we have major MSO, service provider, and a major retailer. So we're trying to solve the problem from all angles.
Not Apple. Not Apple. Yeah.
Not Apple. No, of course not.
Yeah.
Guys, as Steve Jobs has so often quoted, when my market share drops below 70%, I'll consider working with somebody else.
Apple has their own ecosystem that they maintain through their proprietary DRM.